In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to whitelist a domain so that all emails from that domain land in your inbox instead of going to your spam folder. Why would you want to do this? One of the main reasons is that you are expecting some important information from an organization and you want to make sure that all of their emails land in your inbox. For example, you applied for a job. You don't want a situation where you are invited for interview and Gmail mistakenly considers the email as spam and throws it in your spam folder only for you to discover after the interview is already over. So this video will show you how to avoid that using Gmail. I'll open my Gmail account now. I'll open a Gmail account to demonstrate this. Okay, so this is Gmail. So you click this gear icon here and go to settings. Then from there, go to filters and blocked addresses. Then click create a new filter and add the domain that you're expecting emails from. Okay, here I'm going to add virtualmentor.com.ng. You put the heart symbol before it at virtualmentor.com.ng. That means all of the email addresses at virtualmentor.com.ng will land in your inbox once you have completed this. So just do this, then click create filter and here pick never send it to spam and you click create filter. So that's it. So you do that for as many domain names as you want to add, and sometimes you want to add a specific email address. You can also add a specific email address, okay? But here we're showing how to add a domain. So create a new filter again. If you are adding a specific email address, for example, something like mail at plenipotent.com.ng, the process is the same. Mail at plenipotent.com.ng, you put it and then you pick create filter and then you pick never send it to spam. But what I want to demonstrate here primarily is creating filters for domains, making sure that emails from a particular domain don't go to your spam. So we've added this domain, virtualmentor.com.ng. So let's also add plenipotent.com.ng. Remember that you put the heart symbol before it. Okay, plenipotent.com.ng. Then create filter, never send it to spam. And finally, we're going to add digitalvineyard.uk. digitalvineyard.uk. Those three domains belong to the plenipotent company. So we pick create filter again and never send it to spam. So that way we can be sure that all of the emails from these domains will always land in inbox. That will be all for now. If you have any questions, you can go to digitalvineyard.uk/ask and use the contact form on that page to send in your questions. Or if you are already in any of our communities, maybe you are in our workspace or in one of our other communities, just post your questions there and you can be sure that you will receive a response. All the best.